What's up, everyone? Again, this is Kyle Seyboth, Century 21, and we are bringing you the June newsletter. June was a fantastic month. Even though we've seen a slowdown in inventory, we haven't seen inventory pick up as much as we'd like. Currently, single-family properties went from 600 on the market in Rhode Island up to about 900 towards the end of June. So that's a trend that we're looking to continue, and hopefully that trend makes for a much more equal market. In addition to supply, rates remain low. So I'd like to give everyone an update so you guys can understand what's going on. We've got low interest rates, which is great. Affordability continues to increase. Demand remains high, but I will say this. We had a lot of showings recently where we were having 15, 20, 25 people at the showing. Offers aren't as crazy as they were before. What does that mean? That means that buyers have an opportunity to get properties unlike they had 2, 3, 4 months ago. So I really see this as a great opportunity for buyers to re-enter the game, and if they're fatigued, if they were tired, if they weren't in a position to actually execute on a purchase, now may be the time. So guys, looking at Century 21, the Seyboth team, and Century 21 Limitless, we're again at 7 offices, over 150 agents, helping people buy and sell real estate on a regular basis. In addition to that, June was a great month. We closed between 50 and 60 transactions for the month, helping buyers, sellers, investors, and everything. Guys, if you're an investor, if you're looking to flip, if you're looking to buy and hold, remain patient. The market will change. It may take 12 to 24 months, but we're starting to see a sea change, which starts with supply. The next step will be foreclosures. Once we get to the point where we start to see foreclosures hit the market, that means that we're starting the first of many innings of an increase in supply, which will bring prices down a little. Guys, with that, I hope you all have a great July. It was a fantastic June, and I thank everyone very much for all the support and everything that you guys do for us.